Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to respond to a comment from Betty, is it Saima? So that they would like to see the PHP full tutorial for the automate your YouTube promotion using make.com video that I had created. So I am going to actually jump into Visual Studio Code here, and I am going to walk through building out what we need to build out for this to work. So I've got it set up in make.com to where it's sending an HTTP request, a post request to this file, and I'm passing along specific variables, my API token as well as my playlist ID, and I'm sending that in JSON. So we will get to those handlers, but first I think we'll start by writing out the functions. So let's start with a function. Let's see, function. Let's call it scrape playlist. And we're gonna go playlist ID. Okay. And first, so I can see my formatting properly, let's do this. Okay. So now let's do this. Oh, sorry, it's been a while since I have written any code, so bear with me, folks. So we're gonna have our API key. We need our base URL, and that for YouTube is HTTPS. YouTube v3. Okay. And next page token equals. Okay. Go video data, create an array here. And let's do this. And our do, let's do our API URL. Use our base URL, playlist items, part equals snippet, and playlist ID equals playlist ID and max results equals 50, and page token equals, gosh, next page token. Okay, and key equals our API key. Okay, good there. Response equals, gotta decode our JSON when we do this. File, get contents. It's going to be yep. Okay. All right, now we are going to want to write it for each. Oh, Response. Items. As. Okay. All right, so this is where we're going to set our variables. So we're going to do, we want a title, which will come back to us as item. We're going to want the video ID. I'm just going to go like this actually and make it easier on us. Because it's going to be snippet. Then what is it? Resource ID and video ID. Those need to be lowercase, I believe. Yep. Okay. And oops, I didn't spell video properly. That would cause an error for sure. Okay. This one we want to get the description of the video. And it's going to be a snippet. Let's get all these. Let's go description. Okay. Another one. This is going to be our link. Because we want to add the link to the video. Okay. But this one is going to actually say, I think this one I have to pre-fill. Delete all this. Come on. There we go. Link is going to be your YouTube watch video equals video ID. I think that's right. Then we want to get the thumbnail so that we can use that for our Instagram image. Thumbnail. Okay. This is a snippet. Okay, so the snippet. Thumbnails. We want the high. And we want it to be okay. Next thing is playlist that we're going to get all this from is our playlist ID. It's a variable we're already using. Then category. And we probably don't even need that in there, but I'm going to put that in there to be safe. Now the video, let's create another array. And we're going to go title. Okay. We're going to go description. Equals description. We're going to go link equals link. Go. Oops, whatever connection. Thumbnail. Gosh, I'm fat fingering today. Sorry, guys. Thumbnail. Thank you. And Okay. Okay. And close that. And close out my for each. Okay, and then we want to do next page token. Come on, spell right. Okay. Next page token. Next page token. Okay. Oh, man. Wow. Token not equal. Turn. Okay. So our scrape playlist function is created. Now we need to create another function so that we can actually get the random video. So this will grab the data from the video, but now we want to make sure that we can get a random video. So I'm going to make another function. This one I am going to call get random video from playlist. And we're still going to do the same playlist ID. Where do I have plays? Fix that. Okay, no more. All right. Okay. Here. And continue to write our function. Okay. On this one, we're going to do the same thing. Global PI key. We're going to do video data equals playlist. Okay. Draw an if statement in this one. And do. Oops. Okay. So if video data is empty, random index. Yeah. That way we see how when you're in there. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Okay, we don't need anything to return on this. Okay. So the next thing we need to do now is get our variables and put them in. So this should be the last thing we want to do. We're going to go if. Oh, man. There we go. Yeah, server. So we want to test, make sure the request method come on, why is it? Oh my gosh, come on. And if the content type is set, and all right, there we go. Just make sure I wrote that right. So yeah, if the request method is post, if the content type is set, and the content type is application JSON is not false, then we want to get raw data contents. Yeah. Now we need to write a few more if statements in here. We're going to do what? Have it. There we go. Make sure it's set. The XAPI key. Okay. And yes. So hard to type with this microphone in my way, guys. Okay, so then the playlist ID. Same thing here. In fact, I'm just going to go like this, make it easier because all my typing is so bad tonight. This, bang. Now inside of this, I'm going to write a couple more ifs. Okay. This is going to be an API key and playlist ID. Then we want to perform our function. It's going to be video equals get random video from playlist ID. Okay. I'm going to output it. So we want to output it as JSON. Need to put in a header. Header. Content. Type. JSON. And echo. And there else is going to be different header because this. I think this is standard. Okay. I want to forget my semicolon. Okay, so that one's done. I want to add an else in here. Yeah, this one's going to be if the JSON's invalid. Okay. Bad request again. On again. And then we'll echo again. JSON decode. Or equals. That we get the proper errors back. And I actually need to. There we go. Okay. One at the end. Okay. You know what? I think I'm going to do it again outside of this. Well, step is going to be. This is actually only going to be if the JSON's invalid. All right. Okay, let's see. So all right, this should work. Head over to make.com and run it and see what happens. Well, that's a good sign. Looks like we got back our data at least. Perfect. Let's come in here. Let's go to Instagram. Take a look at Instagram and make sure that the post went through properly. 14 seconds ago. Automate your news feed with AI. Learn how. Perfect. So there you have it. There is the PHP that you needed. We walked through the whole PHP piece of it. So if you have any other questions, let me know. Just make sure in that HTTP request that you are pointed as a post request towards that that file wherever you have it uploaded in the web, so that it pulls that information, and then make sure that it's a JSON. You're sending JSON values for both the XAPI key and the playlist ID. Hope this helps. If you like this tutorial, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have anything else you'd like for me to create or show you how to do, please leave me a comment and I will get to it as quickly as I can. I appreciate your viewership, and I look forward to making more videos. Thanks, everybody.